Hi everyone. Today I come up with a new topic called tips to improve PC performance in Windows 10 operating system. I have couple of things to improve PC performance. I'll explain one after the other. First one is update Windows and device drivers. Go to settings, update security, Windows update, check for the update. Let me go to settings, update security, Windows update, and it will show check for the update. It will search for the update and you can able to click on update, download and install, and you can restart the system. Second one, ensure the system is managing the page file size. Go to performance, adjust appearance performance window, click on advanced tab, select the change under virtual memory area. Ensure automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Go to performance, adjust appearance performance, go to advanced and click on change button under virtual memory. Okay, for me it has been enabled. Okay, you can enable this, click on OK and click on apply, click on OK. And next step, check for low disk space and free up space. Go to settings, system, storage, check for the storage information. Settings, system, storage, and you can see for me 180 GB is free and 50.6 GB is used. Okay, and for me it is showing all the apps, features, document, other and temporary files. How much space is being used for this all. Okay, I can go to configure storage sense or run it now. You can free up space by clicking on clean now. Okay, then this is about the third step. Let's go to fourth step. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to performance, adjust appearance and performance of Windows, and click on visual effects tab and select the adjust best performance. Let's go to performance, adjust performance and Windows. Okay, visual effects. Under visual effects you have adjust for best performance. Okay, you can click on it, apply and click on OK. Fifth one, disable unnecessary startup programs. Go to settings, select apps and select startup, disable unnecessary apps. Go to settings, go to apps and go to startup and click on disable unnecessary things. Okay, disable unnecessary things. So this is how disabling the unnecessary things. Then sixth step, delete temporary and prefetch recent history files. Okay, I have kept some piece of code. You can copy and paste the code into your notepad and save it as delete all temp files .bat and you can run by double clicking it. So you can copy this piece of code and go to your notepad, okay, and take a new page, okay, and click on save. I am keeping it as a desktop. Click a double quote, okay, while saving it, delete temp file .bat. Okay, I am closing this file name by entering a double quote at the end. You can save it, okay, and go to desktop and double click the delete temp files. Okay, if you can take a look at of this one, prefetch, most of the files have already been deleted and most of the temp files also been deleted. Okay, then clear your browser history. I am using Google Chrome, so I am clicking Ctrl Shift Delete. Okay, you can find a clearing browsing data. You can have a basic and you can have advanced. You can enable or disable based on your choice, and you can click on the time range as your option and click on clear data option. Okay, this is about the clearing browsing data. Run the disk cleanup. Okay, go to C drive, disk cleanup, and choose the required option. Click on OK. Okay, go to C drive, click on My Properties and disk cleanup. So it has given multiple things here. Okay, temporary files, temporary internet files, recycling bin. Okay, you can choose as per your wish, and you can click on OK. Delete. It is prompting a message. Delete, permanently delete these files. Yes, delete. It will delete the unnecessary files from our system. So next ninth step is defragment your hard drive windows. Click on defragment on your search bar. Defragment and optimize drives. You can choose your drive and click on analyze. Click on optimize. Then it will optimize the drive that you want to refragment. Last step, restart your PC whenever it is required. So this is about tips to improve your PC performance for Windows 10 operating system. Okay, thanks for your time guys. Thanks for being part of this channel.